Are you tired of those annoying surprise emergency maintenance issues? I'm going to share hotel maintenance scheduling techniques that will save you emergency stress. Hey there, amazing viewers. If you enjoy our episodes, don't just hover around. Dive deeper. Hit that subscribe button like it's the key to a treasure chest of hotel knowledge, and ring that bell like you're summoning the fun directly to your screen. Subscribe, ring, and let's keep your adventure rolling. Running an independent hotel isn't all champagne toasts and TripAdvisor love letters. It's cracked tiles, beeping alarms, flickering lights, and the mystery smell wafting from room 212. You get the picture. As a hotel owner, you've got one job: keep everything running like clockwork, even if it feels like juggling chainsaws in a hurricane. That's where smart hotel maintenance scheduling steps in. Let's break it down so it's just not manageable, it's your secret weapon. Why maintenance is the backbone of guest satisfaction. You can serve five-star meals and hire staff who smile like it's their superpower. But if your shower sputters or the air conditioning wheezes like it's on its last breath, guests will talk loudly online. Maintenance isn't sexy, but it's sacred. A well-kept hotel whispers luxury, even on a budget. It screams, "We care," before the guest even reaches the front desk. And trust me, when everything just works, your guests will notice. Picture this: your dream hotel, alive with the buzz of happy guests and a thriving business. Sounds amazing, doesn't it? But here's the truth: great hotels don't just happen, they're built with a clear plan. I'm Jerry McPherson, and in the Vision to Reality, your guide to opening a hotel, I'll show you how to turn your vision into a successful, guest-focused property. Want to learn more? Click the link now and take your first step toward making your dream a reality. Here are the 5 categories of hotel maintenance tasks. Let's make this simple. You don't need a PhD in facilities management. You need a system that fits your property size and team. Maintenance generally falls into 5 buckets. Daily checks. Think lobby cleanliness, lighting, elevator functions, fire alarms. Weekly rounds. HVAC filters, kitchen equipment, spa and pool sanitation. Monthly inspections. Plumbing, electrical panels, pest control. Quarterly deep dives, roof inspections, generator tests, window sealing. Annual jobs, fire safety audits, boiler servicing, structural assessment. Each task has its rhythm. Ignore it, and you're gambling with guest satisfaction and your budget. A real-life glitch and how a checklist saved the day. Now, one of my clients, Dave, runs a charming 12-room lodge in Nova Scotia. He's a lovely bloke, but for years he ran maintenance off memory and vibes. That is until a guest got stuck in the elevator on a Sunday with no trained staff to reset the circuit. 2 refunds, 1 nasty review, and a very red-faced owner later, he implemented a preventative maintenance checklist. Now, not a peep, just a working elevator and glowing reviews. So here's some tools that you can use that don't require an IT department. You don't need high-tech, high-stress solutions. A spreadsheet works. So does a printed binder with laminated checklists. But if you're ready to level up, consider these. Hotel Logics, great for small to medium-sized properties. Asana or Trello, free tools to assign routine tasks. Google Calendar with task reminders. Old school, effective, and free. The goal? Tasks don't get lost, and staff accountability goes up. Delegate or DIY. If you're a one hotel show, chances are you've learned to fix a toilet at 11 p.m. with YouTube and a hope. But here's the thing. Some tasks are better left to licensed pros. Let me show you the difference. Here are some things you can DIY or do it yourself. Painting, replacing light bulbs, clean filters. Here are some things you should consider hiring out. Electrical panel work, boiler repairs, anything involving gas. When in doubt, ask, if this goes wrong, could someone sue me? If the answer is yes, call a pro. Now here's some ideas for scheduling that won't wreck your calendar. Block 1 hour every Monday for a maintenance check-in. Use a rotating calendar for quarterly and annual tasks. Assign responsibility clearly. Staff need names next to jobs, not vague tasks. Celebrate small wins. No guest complaints this month? It's worth a coffee and a cheer. It's easier to keep up than catch up. Big hotel chains? Deep pockets. You, guts, charms, and this guide. Your independent hotel blueprint helps you win without selling your soul to OTAs. Download it for free. Let's show them how it's done. You can find a link in the show notes. What is one maintenance issue that keeps popping up at your hotel? Leave a comment. Here are your key takeaways. Create a daily to annual task rotation. Use simple tools like calendars or Trello. Delegate clearly and celebrate wins. Know when to call the pros. Maintenance equals guest trust, which equals more bookings. You didn't open a hotel to spend your life fixing boilers, but ignoring hotel maintenance, that's the fast track to disaster. With a simple, regular schedule, you protect your reputation, your revenue, and your sanity. Start small. Build the habit. Before long, maintenance becomes just another smooth system in your operation, like check-ins or morning coffee. Need more step-by-step guidance? That's exactly what we cover in detail inside the Hotel Owner's Roadmap Start Managing Grow course. Well, that's it for today's episode of Hotelier Helpcast. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and share with your friends. Keep those lobbies lively, the feedback flowing, and always, always remember, it's the little touches that make the big waves in hospitality. Checking out for now. Until next time, stay inspired.